How to enable DRM on Chrome Mobile. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to enable DRM on Chrome Mobile. DRM stands for Digital Rights Management. It's a technology that controls access to and use of digital media like movies, music, ebooks, and even some websites. DRM basically encrypts the content and manages who can access and use it. So to enable DRM on Chrome Mobile, first, open the Chrome app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu icon. Select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. This will show you a list of options for how Chrome handles different types of content on websites. Now scroll down and look for the option called Protected Content and tap on it. Here you'll see three options. Allow. This lets Chrome automatically play DRM-protected content on websites. Ask First. This gives you more control. Chrome will ask you for permission every time a website wants to use DRM. You can then choose to allow or block it for that specific site. Blocked. This prevents Chrome from playing any DRM-protected content whatsoever. I recommend selecting Ask First. This way, you have control over which websites you trust with DRM and can make informed decisions on a case-by-case basis. You have now enabled DRM on Chrome Mobile. With this setting, you should be able to stream and enjoy DRM-protected content without any issues. And this is how to enable DRM on Chrome Mobile. If you have any questions about Create Pin in Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.